Swimming for 55 to 60 minutes every day is a high-level endurance exercise routine that delivers deep and long-lasting benefits for the body and mind. At this duration, swimming becomes more than just fitness, it becomes a complete training system that improves cardiovascular health, muscular strength, stamina, flexibility, and mental resilience. It is one of the most efficient full-body workouts available because it combines resistance training, aerobic conditioning, and recovery-friendly movement in a single session. One of the most important benefits of swimming for 55 to 60 minutes daily is a highly developed full-body workout. Over this extended duration, every major muscle group is continuously engaged. Your arms perform repeated pulling motions, your legs provide consistent propulsion, your core maintains balance and stability, and your back supports posture and alignment. Water resistance ensures that every movement requires effort, effectively turning each stroke into